Do you think learning English is hard? Today, I'll share my story of learning Spanish, how I started small and made big progress. If I could do it, so can you. Hey friends, welcome back to Mr. Khan English Channel. I'm Suleyman. This is a podcast for learning English. Not fast English, not difficult English. This is super slow, simple, and clear English for people like you who want to speak and understand English with confidence. Today, I want to tell you a story. My story. It's not about English. No, it's about Spanish. Yes, I learned Spanish step by step, day by day, and I want to share how I did it. I will tell you what helped me, what didn't help, what was hard, and what worked. Maybe my story will help you with your English too. So get ready, sit back, and relax. I will speak very slowly and clearly. Let's begin. I started learning Spanish many years ago. I was younger, curious, and excited. I said to myself, yes, this will be easy. I will learn fast. I had big dreams. I wanted to travel. I wanted to speak with people. I wanted to feel free in another language. But I was wrong. It was hard. I listened to people talk. They spoke and smiled. They laughed. They moved their hands. They looked happy. But I just sat there. I understood nothing. Their words came too fast. It was like water, moving, and I could not catch it, not even one drop. I felt lost, quiet, and afraid. My voice stayed inside. My mouth stayed closed. I thought, maybe I can't do this. Maybe I'm not good at languages. But something inside me said, keep going, Suleman. Just one more try. So I stayed, listened, and little by little, things began to change. After some time, I had learned a few words. Hola, gracias, pan. But I still had a problem. I could say words, but I couldn't speak like real people. My mouth was slow. My brain was slow. Thinking a word was easy, but saying it fast was hard. Then I discovered shadowing. Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time with a speaker. For example, they say, my name is Suleyman, and you say it with them, like a shadow, like an echo. At first, it was strange. My tongue was tired. My brain was slow. But I kept going. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. I shadowed every day, on the bus, at home, in the kitchen. Slowly, my mouth moved faster. My brain followed, and I began to sound more natural. I also followed a small rule, just 10 minutes every day. Not 1 hour, not 30 minutes, just 10 minutes, every day. Sometimes tired, sometimes busy, I said, come on, Suleman, just 10 minutes. After 1 week, I felt more comfortable. After 1 month, I understood more. After a few months, I could speak more clearly. Not because I worked hard for 1 day, but because I showed up every day. Now I can speak, listen, travel, order food, ask for help, and make friends in Spanish. Not perfect, but proud. I learned something bigger. Language is not a race. It's slow, quiet, 1 step at a time. You don't need a big plan, perfect grammar, or moving abroad. Just one small word, one small moment, one small step every day. And I want you to know this: you can do it too. Even if you feel shy, slow, or scared, you are not alone. You are learning. You are growing. Speak to your mirror. Say one new word today. Listen to this podcast tomorrow. And just like me, you will change. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope it gives you hope and confidence. Thank you so much for listening to my story. I hope it's given you a little spark of hope and confidence to continue your own language journey. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress, no matter how small. I'm Suleman, and you've been listening to the M.R. Khan English channel. Stay patient, stay consistent, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Language learning is a journey, and every step forward counts. Until next time, stay slow, stay strong, and never stop growing. Take care, and goodbye for now.